tutorial natin ngayon ay yung kung paano kumuha ng OEC. So, i-on muna natin yung mobile data natin. Yan. Pag naka-on na, punta na tayo sa Google Chrome, pwede rin yung Chrome. Tapos, i-type natin ng www.bmonline.ph POA balik manggagawa online process. So, i-click natin yan. So, yan po guys kung paano kumuha ng OEC. For the new user, register the same system using your personal email account and click the sign me out button. Open your mail account to click the confirmation link. Go to login as already registered. Use and enter your last issued number. If no record found, set an online appointment. 3. If record is found, update your personal data, contract, particulars, and beneficiaries. Click acquire reception for online assessment, enter a flight date, and confirm if returning to the same employer. So, ito ay exemption kung babalik sa dating amo. If returning to this employer and job site, the system will display confirmation message that you are exempted from securing the OEC and payment processing fee. If not, you will be directed to the appointment page. Okay, this is the information you will fill up if you are the new user. First name, middle name, last name, birthday, gender, tapos yung email, tapos password, and enter your password. Tapos, i-check natin yung I'm not a robot. I accept, then sign me up. Ganun lang kasimple guys. Thank you. Okay guys, I will show you how to take the OEC exemption. So we go to Google Chrome, then type www.bmonline.ph. Oh wait, I have it on my data. Okay, so select natin ito. Tapos, kung meron ka ng account, i-click mo lang itong tatlong line dito. Tapos, mag-sign in ka. Tapos, click natin yan. I'm not a robot, then sign in. Ayan, magpapakita na yung profile ko dyan. Tapos yan na, acquire OEC or exemption. Tapan natin. Dapat ito yung date na maalis ka. Uuwi ka. So, ilagay mo dyan, then click submit.